How to turn on or turn off Scene Optimizer in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, in the camera settings page, we go down and tap on Intelligent Optimization. Next, we go down and tap on Scene Optimizer. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When this is on, the camera will automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.